This isn't just semantic debate. Believing that success equals sales skills creates tangible consequences. Bad hiring. Companies hire charismatic closers with no process. Organizations frequently prioritize charisma and bravado over methodical selling skills during recruitment, creating fundamental weaknesses in their sales function. They're seduced by candidates who excel in interview settings with polished pitches and confident personalities, mistaking presentation skills for sales capability. A typical example is the SaaS startup that hires the smooth-talking seller from a category-leading competitor, assuming their past success will transfer, only to discover months later they lack the structured prospecting discipline to build pipeline from scratch. These charismatic hires often mask process deficiencies with relationship skills, but struggle when facing true resistance, or when selling in less favorable market conditions where rigorous qualification and objection handling become essential. Shallow training. Reps focus on hype instead of depth. Sales training increasingly emphasizes motivational content and tactical hacks over substantive skill development. New representatives spend hours consuming sales influencer content that promises quick results through psychological tricks or magic phrases, while neglecting foundational capabilities like financial acumen, industry knowledge, and systematic objection handling. For instance, pharmaceutical reps might dedicate time to rehearsing catchy product slogans rather than deeply understanding the clinical studies that would persuade skeptical physicians. This creates sales teams with surface-level capabilities that collapse when faced with sophisticated buyers who expect consultative expertise and depth. The result is high turnover when reps realize their superficial training hasn't prepared them for the complex reality of professional selling. Hype and tricks are often short-lived and dissipate the moment they face serious resistance. Misleading mentorship. Young founders mimic flawed models. Emerging entrepreneurs often pattern their selling approach after visible but ultimately unrepresentative success stories. They study how celebrity founders gained funding or early customers without recognizing the unique circumstances that enabled those outcomes. A first-time SaaS founder might adopt the provocative, disruptive sales style of a well-known tech billionaire, not realizing that approach worked primarily because of market timing and investor enthusiasm, rather than effectiveness with typical enterprise buyers.